Hello dear students of Standard 10. Once again, I Sudhir Kumar in front of you with new component of social studies, political science. No doubt, in last video I have just given a brief description about political science. I just tried in that video to elaborate and give a concept what we just study in political science. What is its definition? What's its scope and what are its advantages? And one more thing I just explained you in last video about the difference between political science and civics, right? So I think you don't have any problem regarding that topic, right? So today, before starting your chapter of political science, I just want to give you the details of the syllabus of political science and what are the chapters you have to study in this session and what are the chapters just excluded from your syllabus, means the questions will not be asked from those chapter in your board exam, but it may be possible whenever you will be time it will be discussed in your classes, then the question be asked in different periodic and internal exam of your school, right? So before, but it is not looking possible now because a very long time has just passed due to the COVID-19 pandemic, right? So it will be perhaps possible that whatever the important chapters and compulsory chapters are just given in syllabus to be completed. So dear students, whenever you will see the book NCERT book of political science, then there are 8 chapters, right? There are 8 chapters in your book, these 3 and these 5, right? So 3 chapters are just excluded from your syllabus, and means there is not a single question be asked in your board exam. So for the board exam you have to prepare for these 5 chapters. The first chapter, which is much more important, power sharing, right? And in board exam one question in short or probably one long question be asked, right? But it is sure that one objective and one short question is definitely be asked from this chapter, power sharing, and it is very necessary for conceptual point of view. Second chapter, federalism, right? Second chapter, federalism, it is also very important, right? It's a form of a power sharing. Power sharing, whenever you will talk about power sharing, it's broad concept and it's one type is federalism. So second chapter is federalism, you have to study. Third chapter, which is democracy and diversity, which is excluded from your syllabus, so it has not to be covered in syllabus. Chapter number 4, gender, religion and caste. Gender, religion and caste, it is a very important chapter and one long question always be asked in different board examination, right? Next, political parties and outcomes of democracy, means chapter number 1, 2, 4, 6 and 7. These are 5 chapters syllabus of political science for board examination of standard 10. And the chapters which are excluded, chapter number 3, chapter number 5 and chapter number 8, right? So we will just study and discuss on these issues. Firstly, whenever we will have time, we will see also these chapters because these chapters are also important for knowledge point of view, right? But board exam, but in new syllabus these are not going to be asked any questions from the chapters, right? So dear students, we will concentrate on these chapters firstly. So in next video, right, I will just start a new chapter, power sharing, right? So thank you, have a nice day, and just wait for coming video to understand and to study the topic power sharing, right? Write down comment in comment box, and if till now if you have not subscribed the channel, then subscribe it and like it. Thank you, have a nice day.